Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for November 4th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see U.S. equity markets closing higher today. In fact, the Dow Jones Industrial Average joined the S&P and the Nasdaq at record levels here. Here it is at an all-time high, up 114 points today. The S&P 500 was higher by 11 points, while the Nasdaq gaining 46 points, and the Russell 2000 up by 8 points. The bond market pulled back today, and the yield on the 10-year note sits at 1.779%. Crude oil was higher by 32 cents, or about half a percentage point, while gold was fairly flat, finishing higher by just 60 cents today, while the dollar had a nice rebound. Now, after market close, earnings season continues. A couple of big names, Uber coming out, and they actually beat expectations, but they did report a quarterly loss of $1.16 billion, which really surprised everyone. Now, their CEO says they expect to be profitable by 2021, but after market close, Uber is lower so far anyway by $1.42 or 4.5%. Shake Shack also reporting, and they disappointed big time here. They beat, but their same-store sales growth disappointed, I should say. And they are down in a big fashion here. Let me get you the latest quote here. Shake Shack currently down by $13.20 or a little over 15.5%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.